My name is Archie Parnell. I own 1917 College Street together with my wife, Sarah Parnell. Yes, very interested in history, very interested in the world, and Columbia is an important part of that. I was walking down the street one day and I saw 1917 College Street. It's got that sort of that niche space in the front porch. The gardening is done nicely. I know my wife. I saw that house. I thought of her. I thought she would like to see this. We knew when we bought the property that there was a water drainage problem. The house actually sort of sits on a postage stamp of land. Around the house, it's walled in. The water was not draining properly from the gutters. If you're looking at the property from the street, from College Street, on the left side of the property, the tiling was not flowing away from the house down. It was instead flowing back toward the house. The whole area had to be resloped when we bought the house. We also had done an inspection and knew that some of the sill, the foundation work had to be redone, and that was probably attributable to the water damage. What we did not know, the old cast iron pipe that connected the first floor to the second floor, the kitchen downstairs up to the one bathroom in the property upstairs, was actually split and letting water seep through. Even though that was a big surprise, it also allowed us to then sort of refit the kitchen with modern appliances, and as well as retiling the bathroom. And when you said invisible restoration, if somebody saw the house, a year before we bought it and then saw it again, they wouldn't see a big difference. There was no real structure changes. There was modernization of the bathroom. There was modern of the kitchen. And this is A.S. Salley, who built that property for his office and library. And he was the first member, I think, of the Historic Commission. He was sort of like the first staff member of the South Carolina Archive. It later became the Archives. It's a historic place. It's an historic part of Columbia, part of the university writ large. Preservation is essential in the community's character, and I have to applaud Historic Columbia for what they've done. The state of South Carolina, for its income tax, also has a tax credit for residential preservation. I think that we have to preserve our past. We don't know who we are if we don't know where we come from. It's just so clear. We have to have the past and the present and the future all together.